In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. The first step is to open the Zap editor. To do this, log into your Zapier account dashboard. Once you're there, look for a button that says Make a Zap or Create Zap. Go ahead and click on that to start building your new automation from scratch. All right, now that we have the Zap editor open, the next step is to set up the Trigger app. In the workflow editor, you'll see a box labeled Trigger. Click on it, and in the search bar that appears, type in Slack. Once you see it pop up, go ahead and select it. Great, now it's time to choose a specific Slack event that will kickstart your automation. You'll see a panel on the right-hand side with several options. You can select events like a new message posted to a channel, a new reaction added, or even when someone mentions your username. Choose the option that best fits what you want to achieve. For example, let's say you want to trigger the automation when a new message is posted to a specific channel. Go ahead and click on that option. Now, on to the next crucial step, authenticating and granting access to your Slack account. Look for the Account tab within this step. It should be pretty straightforward. Click on Sign In. What happens next is a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll need to log into your Slack account. Make sure you enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to click Allow. This is essential because it authorizes Zapier to securely read data from your Slack workspace. Basically, it's saying yes to give Zapier permission to help automate your tasks. Once you complete that authorization process, your Slack account is now fully connected to Zapier. Pat yourself on the back. You've taken a significant step towards streamlining your workflow. Now, you can finish configuring your automated action step. At this point, it's all about what you want Zapier to do automatically once that trigger event occurs. For instance, you might want it to send a notification somewhere, create a task in another app, or even log information from Slack into a spreadsheet. It's entirely up to you. By completing these steps, you've effectively connected Slack to Zapier, allowing for smooth and effortless automation of your tasks. This connection can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content on how to enhance your productivity. Happy automating, and I'll see you in the next video.